Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and this right here is the current title holder for my favorite, most frequently used eyeshadow ever. It's MAC Frost Eyeshadow in the shade Satin Taupe. I have seriously been using this shade now for about 10 plus years. It's a shimmery eyeshadow, but I really don't find the shimmer to be over the top. I really think that this is because the understated shade of this eyeshadow complements the shimmery sheen of this shadow really well. I love how it lights up my eye area. It really complements the color of my eyes and makes them pop. I can wear this eyeshadow completely alone for more of a natural look, but it also looks great with some eyeliner too. I can wear it with a wide variety of lipstick shades, from darker shades to lighter nude shades, and it looks great with all of them. And that is something that I really love about this eyeshadow, is the versatility of it. As long as they keep making this MAC eyeshadow in Satin Taupe, you will be finding it in my makeup bag. And that's my point of view.